The motor controller receives information from the console and runs the motor at the desired speed. If your treadmill won't start the motor or doesn't run the motor at the right speed, replace the motor controller using the steps in this video. Before you begin, wear work gloves to protect your hands. Remove the key and unplug the treadmill's power cord from the wall outlet. Remove the screws that attach the motor hood to the belly pan. Pull the motor hood forward and remove it from the treadmill. Disconnect the wires. Remove the motor controller mounting screws. Remove the old motor controller from the treadmill. Position the new motor controller on the frame. Reinstall the mounting screws. Reconnect the wires to the new motor controller. Slide the motor hood onto the frame. Reinstall the screws that secure the hood. Plug the treadmill into the electrical outlet.